customers, during the Ram Spotlight sales event, you can lease a 2021 Carvin clip?
Oh yeah, can't have waste daily use. So
Isn't that amazing? What a beautiful arrangement too. Carmen Dragon doing that. Really getting every ounce of emotion out of that boat too.
From online threat
colleges, so you can start it.
Probably. Like how that free streaming website was probably not a scam. Someone's probably not stealing your bank info as we speak to buy a 4-story Chalet Grand. Yeah, you're probably fine. Or you can know your network is covered with advanced security from Cox Panoramic Wi-Fi. Restrictions apply. Copyright 2020 Cox Communications Inc. All rights reserved.
Hi, it's Jen. Did you know that an old fridge or freezer could be costing you up to $150 in energy costs per year? National Grid can help. Save money and energy and help the planet by recycling your old fridge or freezer today. National Grid will come to your home, safely pick up your old appliance, and recycle it responsibly at no cost to you. To show their appreciation, they'll send you a $50 rebate check. If you're a National Grid Electric customer, schedule your no-cost, no-contact fridge pickup today at ngrid.com/fridge recycle. Introducing in-person payments from PayPal, a touch-free way for your customers to pay and tip. Whether you're a hot dog fan,
Mustard? You gotta have the mustard.
a personal trainer,
Don't you drop those knees, Sandra!
or a boba shop.
Rude to early perfection.
Signing up your business is easy. Simply download the PayPal app and display your own unique QR code for your customers to scan, pay, and tip too. Shop safe with touch-free QR code payments. Fees may apply. For more info, go to paypal.com/us/getQRcode.
Hi, this is Tyler Torres
And Trevor Torres.
from Empire Auto Group. We've been out shopping, securing a huge selection of the best one-owner, low-mileage, pre-owned vehicles for you.
We have over 1,000 used cars, trucks, and SUVs to choose from.
Even hard-to-find vehicles like F-150s, Super Duties, Explorers, Escapes, and more.
We have Rhode, Tucson, Santa Fe's, Elantras, and Sonatas. You'll be surprised by the variety of off-brand and used vehicles we carry, including Chevy, GMC, Jeep, Toyota, Kia, Dodge, Honda, and even high-end vehicles like Mercedes, Infiniti, and BMW.
Don't be lured in by other dealers that just want a sale. Here at Empire Auto Group, we show you the market price of our used vehicles with resources like NED and KBB. Then we set our price with the market so you can be sure you're getting the best deal.
Plus, we make it easy to buy with our online Easy Buy tool and express checkout. View our inventory, value, trade, and apply for financing all in one place.
Empire Hyundai in Fall River, Empire Pre-Owned Superstore in Swansea, and Empire Ford in New Bedford. 3 locations, all conveniently located off Route 195. So call, click, or come by.
Well, hurry into the best selection, and remember,
If you bought elsewhere, you paid thousands too much.
Breaking news. There's an urgent summit meeting of the presidents going on. Let's listen in. Oh, Wes's Rib House.
Are now starting to hurt the Russian space program. They can't get the microchips their rockets need to launch into space. And they say, look, unless you lift these sanctions so that we can get these microchips, we're going to pull out of the space station when our contract comes to an end in 2025.
And what would that mean? I mean, it's like, you know, like when you'd rent a beach house with a bunch of guys for the summer, you know, like when one guy was going to pull out. Well, if you had 8 guys paying in, I mean, you know, one guy pulls out, all right, we've all got to kick in a little more. Is that what happens?
Yeah, but if he was bringing the hot girlfriend, doesn't that really throw it?
Yeah, I know. Well,
But no, here's the thing. Operationally, we rely on the Russians for this to run the space station. They basically take 12 hours a day. We take 12 hours a day. really are partners on this thing. Other countries are in it. Canada has donated or supplied parts. Even Italy supplied some modules that we use for the space station.
That's right. Didn't they?
They're all backwards and expensive, but don't rely on the
No,
electronics.
stop it! Stop it! I mean, where could you get a good panini in orbit? If it weren't for the Italians. Come on.
Right, that's true.
Yeah.
They supply the coffee machine. But
Right.
no, but the Italians supply a lot of signals to the station as well. But really, for operational reasons, we need the Russians, or it's going to cost us a lot more. Here's the hook. We're also trying to get out of the space station. We want to get out by 2030. We want the Russians to stay that long. This thing's middle age. The first piece was launched in 1998. We're starting to look at it now. Okay, how much longer do you think this thing has? So maybe other countries want to buy in, other private corporations want to buy in, and before they want to turn it into a hotel, figure out what you want to do with it, but take it off the American taxpayer.
So I see what you're getting at here is that, while all these countries are involved, basically only the United States and Russia have a space program advanced enough to have a mission control, and that we split the time with the Russians. 12 hours us, 12 hours them, and then that way we're not spending as much to have 24-hour responsibility for the station.
Right, and if that happens, if they leave, then of course that burden would shift to us. So a lot of this is also just saber rattling ahead of next week's meeting with Biden and Putin, because this is about the broader topic of sanctions against Russia. I don't think the two men are going to talk about space policy while they're there. Maybe, it'd be nice, but certainly the broader topic of sanctions will come up, and I think that's what this is about.
So we're talking with Rory O'Neill, our national correspondent. Rory, this has all started during the Obama administration when Russia went into Ukraine and they took the Crimea. I mean, they basically went in like Hitler went into Czechoslovakia and said, "Yeah, this is mine." No, actually, Hitler got permission from Neville Chamberlain. Yeah, Chamberlain said, "No, you can have it." Austria. He didn't ask for permission with Austria. He went into Austria and just said, "No, it's part of Germany. His the land of his birth," and you can't do that in the modern world. Sorry.
Well, right. But this even, just last December, President Trump, issued some sanctions as well, because they said, the Russian space program is actually just an arm of the military and their spy branch. That was another reason we can't sell them things, and so they're trying to change that designation as well. So this has been escalating, because we've had more sanctions since the cyber attacks, more sanctions since they tried to kill that critic, Alexei Navalny. So, this has been escalating. This is really about sanctions in general, not specifically about how they relate to Roscosmos, their space agency.
Okay. All right. So let's fast forward too. So Joe Biden has this meeting next week. Let's let them meet. Are they actually going to meet alone? You know how sometimes they have this kind of a thing, and the two world leaders go into a room, and there's just interpreters if needed, and that's it. And they have a conversation, mano a mano, or if it's, a woman and a man or whatever. Are they going to do that? What's the final word on that?
Yeah, I haven't seen the specific schedule for that. It's still a week away, so I haven't seen the day-to-day TikTok and what's that's going to break down. I would suspect that they will. We know they've met before. When Biden was vice president and back in his days on Senate Foreign Relations. So, there's a history there already. So I'm sure they'll spend some alone time together.
I want to be a fly on the wall for that one. I really do, because
maybe they'll meet for dinner. What, around 4 o'clock? Joe Biden, is that?
You have to get the early bird. What are you talking about? Wait a minute. You
one of them has a coupon. Who has a coupon?
Right. Hold on a second. You live in the land of the early bird. You live in Florida. I think the early bird was invented in Florida. Seriously. Watch any Seinfeld episode when Jerry goes to visit the parents at Boca Vista Phase 2.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm the late nighter at 6:30.
Oh, it must be nice to have that kind of money to go out to dinner at 6:30, right? And like Jerry says, I'm not going out to dinner at 4:30 to save $2 on a steak. All right, so that was good. Excellent explanation as usual, Rory, and we appreciate your time.
All right, Jim. We'll talk tomorrow. Thanks.
Thanks so much. Bye-bye. All right, when we return, people are fighting back against critical race theory. It's actually happening more in Rhode Island than it is elsewhere, but there are 20 states right now where legislatures are considering banning critical race theory in schools. One has already done it. We'll talk about it when we return. You're listening to the Jubilee.